Oh, I'm just rocking this gown that one of my subscriber gave to me. It looks so good on me. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh. Oh my god, look at that. I just love it. It's so comfy, very free and comfy. Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a typical morning in my life with my newborn, so I hope you enjoy the video. My mornings always start with my baby girl. She goes to bed at around 9 p.m. and then wakes around 1 a.m. to bottle feed. After bottle feeding her, I give her some minutes for the food to digest and make her belch as well, and then I put her back in her crib. Then again at 4 to 5 a.m. she wakes to suck on my boobs, so I bring her over to my bed. Both of us will lie down and she sucks. So from then till to 7 in the morning, I bottle feed her again, put her back in her crib and start off my days. Either I go back to bed to catch more sleep, or I start doing one or two things around the house. So one thing I always do is to wash my hands before I make her food. Now that we are in quarantine, I don't rush things. I do things according to how I feel, according to my mood, and according to how important that thing is. So I always go for things that are more important than things that are less important. So after washing my hands, I head over to the kitchen and grab her feeding bottle from the fridge. I usually put it in the fridge after every feed. That way I don't have to be washing it every now and then. But what I do is the next morning I just wash it thoroughly and get it ready for throughout the whole day. Yeah, so I'm back in the room now and I'm going to start making her food. So the formula she feeds on is Aptamil, yeah. And of course drink my water. This is what I do every single morning. Once I wake up, I drink my water before I do any other thing. Or even if I forget to drink it as soon as I wake up from the bed, I'll still come back and drink it whenever I remember. But I always make sure I drink my water. So I'm just going to feed her and make her belch, give her some minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, so that the food will digest, and then I'll put her back in her crib. She will be there on her own, talking and playing. Before you know it, she will go back to sleep again, and that is when I have much more time to do whatever I want to do. And of course, I open my window so that fresh air can come in. And you guys, we are in spring, almost summer. Okay, you can see how everywhere is looking so bright and beautiful. The flowers and the trees are blooming again. I love seeing those greens, So after some minutes, I just change her diapers because once I put her in her crib, she's going to sleep off. So I don't want to be, thinking that the diaper is full while she's sleeping, because it might just soak on her clothes. So I make sure I change her diapers every morning, then put her back in her crib.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Once I put her in her crib, I go and close the window because it's still a little bit cold. It's not summer like that, okay? So as soon as I close the window, I head over to my kitchen to wash her bottles, both the ones I used to pump and the ones she used to feed.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So after washing the bottles, I pour some hot water over the bottles. Guys, see, I have a sterilizer, but I don't have enough space in my kitchen to bring it over to my kitchen. It's still in the garage, so this is like the easiest option for me. After washing them, I soak them in hot water, like leave them for some minutes, maybe like 10 minutes, then I will come back and rinse everything. While the bottles are sitting in the hot water, I go over to boil some water for making her formula. I use hot water to make her formula, so I usually boil some water and pour it in this flask and then use it throughout the whole day. So after rinsing the bottles, I put them in a sieve to dry, and you can see my baby girl is asleep. So I'm going to use this time to, freshen up and do one or two things like quickly. I make sure I do it very fast because she can wake up anytime, and once she wakes up, you need to attend to her need. And by the way, you guys, this video is in collaboration with my sister here on YouTube. Her channel name is Bella Presh TV. Please, after watching my video, do make sure to head over to her channel, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, tell her that I sent you, and yeah. So to scrub my face this morning, I'm going to be using my aloe vera face scrub. After scrubbing my face, I rinse it off pat it dry with a paper towel. And then apply my moisturizer. I don't usually take my bath in the morning unless I'm going out. If I'm going out, I will, obviously take my bath, but because I'm not going anywhere, I don't take my bath in the morning. I usually take my bath at night before going to bed. So after washing my face, I quickly rinse the sink. If you're coming over from Bella Precious channel, you're highly welcome. Please do consider subscribing to my channel if you like what you see. After freshening up, I head over to my balcony to pack up our dried clothes.
I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind.
After that, I read some verses of the Bible and conclude with prayers. So I'm very sure that most of you already know that the first thing I do in the morning as soon as I wake up is pray, say my prayers. But since after giving birth, it has all changed because she wakes me up, wants to suck, wants to eat and all of that. So after feeding her, I do that, but some days some things might just happen that you need to tackle them first. So some days differs anyway. Some days I pray first, some days I pray later during the day. So yeah, but I always make sure I do say my prayers. So after that, I went to my kitchen to have brunch and remember that I had to wash the seat covers because you guys saw what my kids did there. I don't know what they poured on the covers, and that is why I love those covers, because you can just use them to cover the seat. If not, those white shears would have turned to something else. So that cover helps to prevent the chairs from getting stained and all of that. So I quickly put those in the washing machine because I'm going to be washing them later. Then I went back in the kitchen to have my breakfast, and this morning, brunch, not breakfast, because it's almost 12 noon. So I'm having our leftover salad. In that bowl I have some cabbage, I have some carrots and some sweet corn. Then I added one boiled egg, mashed it together with the salad, and I added some mayonnaise, mixed everything together, and I'm eating it with some whole wheat bread.
No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all the worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, oh oh oh, oh oh oh, oh oh oh.
Now for my tea, I'm going to be adding some honey, some milk, and then mix everything together. That was how I enjoyed my brunch, and you guys, it was so good, so delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Go and try this. I always want you to try what I eat because I feel like they are so delicious. So if you can, go and try it. It is so good. Alright guys, welcome to the end of this morning routine. This is a typical morning in my life, okay? Every other morning differs. My morning is not always like this. It depends on the activities I have to do for the morning or for that day basically. So this is what my morning looks like now that we are in quarantine or quarantine. So yeah, once the kids start school now, everything will change. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to head over to Bella Presh channel to show her some love. Subscribe to her channel if you like what you see. Thumbs up the videos. Tell her that I sent you, and if you're coming over from her channel, you're highly welcome. Please do make sure you subscribe to my channel if you also like what you see over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do have a nice day and take good care of yourself. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?